If your games feel slow or laggy, this video will help. I'll show you 6 easy steps to make your PC run better, get more FPS, and reduce lag. Go to search menu and type event viewer. Click on open the event viewer. Expand the Windows log and right click on the application and select clear log option and select clear. Do the same thing for others listed. Once you done this, just close stuff here. Press Windows key and R key together and type clean mgr. Click on OK. Select clean up system files. Check all the boxes. This is gonna clean up the previous version of Windows update files. Select OK. I have 3.33 GB. Select delete files. Now press Windows key and R key together and type tmp. Click on OK. Delete all the files inside this folder. Once you done this, just close stuff here. This time type percentage temp percentage. Then click on OK and delete all the files inside the folder and type prefetch. Delete all the files inside this folder as well. And now go to search menu and type NVIDIA app. Click on open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates and install the latest available driver. Once you're done, search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command. Copy this command, paste it in PowerShell. Right click on this tab and select edit and select paste. Press enter. Ultimate performance has added to your computer. Go to search menu and type choose power plan. Click on the drop down and show additional plans. In default, all systems set to balanced recommender. Set this to ultimate performance so it's provide the ultimate performance on higher end PCs. This is best for gaming. And then close stuff here. Go to search menu and type game mode. Click on open the game mode setting. Make sure the game mode is stand on. Windows prioritize the game you are running when it's stand on. Go to task manager. Start up apps and disable programs that we don't need so they don't start automatically. Because I already done, I'll show you guys how to disable it. Just right click and select disable option and that's it. And I would recommend using this Wise Memory Optimizer. Just download this application. Once download done, click on the exe and select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Once the installation done, before you start the game, select this optimize option and you will no longer have unnecessary programs running in the background. As you can see, 121 GB memory this time. So once you've done this, just close stuff here. We can move on the final step. To search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open the view advanced system settings. Under performance, select settings and select this adjust for best performance so it doesn't prioritize the best appearance. Select apply and OK. This is best for gaming. And now you can enjoy a game with high FPS and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.